How's everybody doing, guys? Okay, I'm going to just set up this video real quick. I'm going to head down to a place that I've not brought you to before. It's Palm Beach, Harley Davidson down in Palm Beach. Should be interesting. They're having an open house with some free food and some free beer and a nice look at the 2020s. Let's just cue that video now. Okay, so the ride down here was pretty quick. We didn't waste any time getting down here, but it was probably a little boring, so I didn't bother to video it. But yes, this is Palm Beach Harley Davidson, and this is the first time I've ever been here. And it is a really nice dealership. I like the customer lounge that they have over here. And I'm going to take a quick walk over there. Check this out. This is nice. Look at the food they got. People can sit right in there. Nice and comfortable. I'm going to go and get a bite to eat right now, and I just entered in a $500 raffle and filled out a little information, so I got a meal ticket, and I'm going to go get a bite to eat, and I'll catch back with you a little bit later. I'm not sure the years on these, but they're very recent. This is the clothing section in Palm Beach Harley Davidson. Very nice, very adequate. And their motor parts department is over here, and the main showroom is down here. And we got a ton of bikes that they have outside. This is the first time I've ever been down here to Palm Beach Harley Davidson. This is actually in West Palm Beach, and you get off on 45th Street, off of 95. And you buzz right over here. It's right off the highway. Bike after bike after bike. And a lot of road glides. A lot of 2020 road glides. And a lot of 2020 street glides. Here's a 2020 Street Glide right here. Look at this Road King right here. Pretty bike play. Check out this bike right here. Like that. Good old Softail Deluxe, baby. The fishtail exhaust, and oh, those got to be at least 20-inch apes, baby. It's an old classic right there. So that was one awesome time. Have a great day, everybody, and this is Freedom Rider signing off. And I hope you enjoyed the videos, and keep subscribing to the content. Okay, guys, take care, God bless, and ride safe.